Part 4, PDWare Financials. Every project in the portfolio has a financial plan. Click on the financial plan, and it brings up a forecast, which is similar to the labor forecast, except it has revenue, labor, non-labor financial categories, all listed in dollars. We can also list these in units. To insert an assignment, we grab a financial category, we grab a cost center, and then we insert the assignment, and we enter in data much the same way we do in the traditional effort forecast. For labor, we can post information from the labor forecast. We can post actuals or the current forecast to bring that information over so that the financial forecast and the labor forecast match. Now there's three different types of financial plans you can save. You can have the current forecast, you can have the actual forecast if you're tracking actuals, and you can post those at the end of the project or during the project. And then we have baselines that can be snapped at any point during the project. Usually people will snap a baseline forecast at the beginning and during each of the stage gates. Now we can show summary information. Here's revenue minus cost rolled up. We can show that cumulatively. We break it down then into revenue, non-labor, and labor cost items so we can see all the breakdowns. And we also have a baseline forecast actual view, which shows both the totals on the projects, budget, the original budget, the actual forecast blend, the full forecast as reported, and then the actual forecast if you're tracking actuals. And we can also show both the periodic elements across the calendar as well as the total for the entire project. Now that's the financial plan for a single project. By clicking on the $ icon, we can bring up the financial plan across the entire portfolio. So this has much the same information, except now you're seeing this across multiple projects. You can get down to the financial details. Here we can filter on just the revenue items. This helps with data entry and comparison across projects. Here's an example of marketing costs across all the different projects in the portfolio. Again, data entry is easy from this point. You can compare one project to another and quickly get the data in. And then we also have the baseline forecast actual view. So just the same as with a single project, now we can see this information across projects, and we can get all the same data elements, the budget, the forecast, the actual, and the blend, and of course all the different variances. Now, there's all kinds of other financial reporting that we can do. One example is a cost shale report that's built into the system, and this gives you a graphical breakdown of each of the elements and how they contribute to the overall picture. We can then filter by project, and we can also filter by which financial items we want to see on the graph.